Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up. Thank you.
February 26th. While here, he received a Marine Corps martial arts program demonstration from Camp Pendleton Marines.
That was amazing. It was good to watch. A lot of the stunt guys I work with are ex-Marines, so a lot of these moves that I use, I get from these guys, so it was interesting to see.
The Marines then encouraged Butler to try out a variation on the push kick, a technique he is well known for.
I never forget these moments. I mean, it's that's why we come here, you know, because one, for us to show our appreciation from what we get from you guys, but when they do that and they put that on for you and you see them putting all that effort in, it feels amazing.
From the McMack pit, Butler then moves to the Camp Pendleton Theater for a premiere of his latest movie. Marines and their families gathered outside the theater to meet Butler, where he gave out autographs, shook hands, and posed for photos before hitting the stage.
I'd say I was pretty excited. I didn't think I'd actually get a signature or a picture, but I got both. And I'm excited to see the movie.
Hey guys. Wow, listen. I'm exhausted, man. I thought they put me to it during 300, but that experience outside, wow, you guys are amazing.
Reporting from Camp Pendleton, this is Corporal Asia Sorensen.
So much for